Now let us start question number 3. Express the following numbers in standard form. As discussed earlier, in standard form we have decimal after first non-zero digit, and we express the numbers in exponential form using powers of 10. So like this first number can be written as like this. This is 1 followed by 7 zeros. So this can be written as 5 into 10 raised to the power 7. See second part. Again this is the same. 7 is followed by 6 zeros. So this can be written as 7 multiply 10 to the power 6. Now these were the cases where we had only one single non-zero digit in the whole number. So we wrote it directly. But if we have the number like this, so I told you that in standard form we have decimal after first non-zero digit. Now first non-zero digit is 3, but it doesn't contain a decimal. And if a number doesn't contain a decimal, that means the decimal is there in the last. Now count the number of places decimal has to move from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this will be written as 3.1865. You are to write till you get all zeros after it. Multiply how many places the decimal has moved? 10 raised to the power 9. Here also we have done the same thing. But the only thing is that here there is no use of writing the decimal because here we have single digits. Like see in fourth part. Decimal is not there, that means decimal is there at the back. Now count the number of places decimal has to move. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 places decimal has to move. Now the number will become 3.90878 multiply 10 to the power 5. Now in fifth part we already have a decimal, and to go after first non-zero digit, that is 3, decimal has to move 4 places. So the number will become 3.90878 multiply 10 to the power 4. Again in sixth part we have a decimal, and to come after first non-zero digit, decimal has to move 3 places. So it will be 3.90878 multiply 10 to the power 3. So this is how we express the numbers in the standard form. Now question number 4 is express the numbers appearing in the following statements in standard form. In previous question we were given direct numbers. Here we are given some statements, and whatever numbers are appearing in this statement, we are to write down those numbers in the standard form. So it is a similar question, the rules are same. So there are 10 parts in the question. 5 I am doing for you and 5 you will do as homework. So you have to do all 10 parts in your register. First part is the distance between earth and moon is this much. Now you don't see any decimal in the number. So if decimal is not there, that means it is lying here at the last. So count, decimal has to come, and it has to come after the first non-zero digit. That means it has to come after 3. So it has to move 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 steps it has to move. So number will become 3.84 multiply 10 raised to the power 8 meters. Decimal has to come after first non-zero digit, and from the last it has to move 8 places. So we'll write down 10 raised to the power 8. B part says speed of light in vacuum is this much. Again we don't see any decimal here. It means it lies at the back, and there is only one non-zero digit, that is 3. So either you write down 3 or you write down 3.0. it is not going to make any difference. So decimal has to move from here to this place after 3. So it has to move 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8. So again it is 3.0, or simply you can write down 3 multiply 10 to the power 8 meters per second. C part is diameter of earth is this. Again decimal lies there at the back. So decimal has to move after 1 here. So 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7. So 1.2756 multiply 10 to the power 7 meters. Here units which are given in this statement are also to be written along with the standard form of the numbers. Now the I part is the earth has itne cubic kilometers of sea water. Again the decimal has to move from the last. So 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9. Decimal has to come after 1, the first non-zero digit. So it is 3.353 multiply 10 raised to the power 9 cubic kilometers. J part, the population of India was about itne in March 2001. So again decimal has to come after 1. So it will be 1.027 multiply. Now see how many places decimal will have to move. 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 people were there in India in March 2001. So now complete this question yourself.